Welcome to this demo on how to buy a digital signature certificate from eMudra Digital Portal. Let's walk you through the simple and seamless process. Start by visiting emudradigital.com. Click on Buy Certificate to begin your purchase. Next, select your certificate details. Choose Class 3 and select whether you need it as an individual or for an organization. For this demo, we'll proceed as an individual. Now, pick the certificate type, signature, encryption, or both. We'll choose signature. Then, select the validity period 1, 2, or 3 years based on your preference. If you reside outside India, check the Are you residing outside India box. If not, leave it unchecked. Click Buy Certificate and you'll be redirected to mobile authentication. Enter your mobile number, verify with the OTP, and proceed. On the billing page, fill in your details. If the token dispatch address differs from your billing address, update it accordingly. Now, select crypto token and Windows support charges if required. Then, click Proceed to Pay. Choose your preferred payment method, complete the payment, and proceed with Aadhaar OTP. This will redirect you to the next browser page where you need to enter your Aadhaar number or virtual ID. Click on Get OTP and enter the OTP. Click on the consent and select Authenticate for KYC. Next, enter your email ID, PAN number. Please note the name can be given as per PAN or Aadhaar as required. Applicant name and date of birth. Click on Submit. Upon successful submission, you will receive an application ID and you may proceed to complete the credentials setup. Create a unique username and a user PIN of 6 characters. Click on Get OTP and OTP will be sent to the registered email ID. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. You will then be redirected to the video verification page where the video needs to be completed within 20 seconds. Click on Continue to video recording to proceed. You can select the language based on your preference and click on the Record Video button. Now you will be redirected to the video verification window. Click on Start Recording to start the verification and read the instructions mentioned on the page. I am Pooja, applied for DSC with eMudra. 101 is the code for the video. Once the process is completed, a pop-up with Stop Recording will appear. Click to proceed. Click on the Preview option to review the recorded video. Click on Submit. If the video is correctly recorded, a pop-up stating video recording is submitted successfully with Track Application Status option will appear on your screen. Click on the same to track your KYC status. Once all the steps are completed successfully, the application will be validated by eMudra within 30 minutes, after which you need to sign the Assign agreement. Upon successful validation and approval from eMudra, you will receive an email containing a link to complete the subscriber agreement. Click on the Login and e-sign subscriber agreement option. Now you will be redirected to the applicant login page. Under Are you an existing user option, enter the username and PIN created during the application process and click on Login. Enter the registered mobile number. Click on Get OTP and enter the OTP. Select the consent box and click on Validate. Now you will be redirected to the Track Application page. Under Track and Expedite, click on the Verify e-sign option which will redirect you to the e-sign agreement. Go through the e-sign agreement. Click on the Consent and select Agree and e-sign option. This will redirect you to the next page where you can check and download the application form. Also set the challenge code or the download password which will be used for downloading the digital signature certificate. That's it. Your digital signature certificate purchase is now complete. Thank you for watching.